What makes ULTRACOL special from other dermal fillers? The hyaluronic acid filler, which is most commonly used filler to improve volume and wrinkles, is said to be safe. However, problems can arise from using toxic cross-linker, which is used to extend the short retention time. Various side effects can occur, such as edema on the treatment site. But ULTRACOL does not have this problem. Polymer fillers such as PLLA or PCL have the advantage of long lifetime. However, if dermal fillers remain in the skin too long, excessive cell proliferation can occur and cause the skin surface to produce convexity, such as nodules. Injected microparticles trigger macrophages to absorb onto the surface and constantly proliferate, which causes side effects. In the case of ULTRACOL, it stimulates collagen regeneration and is absorbed before side effects from excessive cell proliferation can occur. It is a next-generation dermal filler that is safe and effective. Discover my own natural beauty, ULTRACOL.